How to add and verify phone number in TradeW account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to add and verify your phone number in the TradeW application but don't know where to start, first of all, launch open the TradeW app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the account, go ahead and click on the My Account button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside this My Account tab, go ahead and scroll down and click on Verify Phone Number option. Now on the next page, click on Not Linked or simply tap on Phone Number option under Email. Now once you're inside this page, go ahead and enter your phone number at the top of the screen. After doing so, click on Get OTP and click on Text Message option. Once you receive the OTP, go ahead and paste it in or type it down. Now click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a phone number onto your TradeW account. Now, your account is more secure and ready to use. You've successfully learned how to add and verify your phone number in the TradeW application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.